everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry. I'm also struggling in English. We should work together in English. We should learn together in English. Then our English upgrade from 0 and advanced level. Please watch this video till the end. I will share my experience, my tips, how I am learning, how I am improving in English day to day my life. So this is the day five five video, day 5 of 90 days video. um 90 days challenges with myself. I want to learn in English more than more because to uh, I want to speak in English. I want to become a fluent speaker. That's why I am recording in English whenever I have time to talk in English. I already talk in front of mirror, and sometimes I record anytimes anytimes my I record in front of my mobile camera. It's 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 so much, it has amazing. In fact, if you want to improve your English speaking journey, please do record your video and then your English upgrade from 0 to advanced level. You never think you have a choice. You will be such English fluent, or sorry, English fluent. So that is why I am recording in this video right now. I am taking warm water. I am drinking honey water. It it's help us relaxed and relief and refresh. That's why it help us hydrate our body cannot be maintained and maintain your day-to-day life. That is why I am recording this video, because I want to improve my English with clarity. I In my past time, I always stuck whenever I have to time to talk in English. I always stuck and embarrassment. That is why right now I am recording this video. So nobody is described to hear anything. You can see this is my brother clothes, white color and gray color and black trouser, you can see. And you can see here is our Lord Krishna. You can see so beautiful pictures, so beautiful vibes, here. And it helps us around positive vibes and gives positive energy. That is why I love Sri Krishna Bhagavan. And right, so everywhere English is right. English is everywhere. If you have no idea how to talk in English, so don't worry, I'm also beginner in English. If you practice in daily basis, you have a consistency. You have to consistency, and you have to patience. If you um uh, if you um, practice the regular basis, you know English is such a simple language. English is so much fun language. If you try with fun, you can gain your knowledge. So don't worry. So life is journey. That is why I am recording this video, because I want to improve my English. So right, don't worry. Now I drink water. I like warm water with mixed honey. Please, you can take care of your health. So if you care health, you can improve your daily routine. And so that is why daily routine is a very basic important. If we didn't if you didn't give your daily routine, it helps us. It doesn't help our body maintain and our simple routine. That is why we always wake up early in the morning, then we can practice. I always practice in daily basis. English is my simple routine. Whenever the simple routine, I always talk, sometimes 30 minutes with myself, sometimes 50 minutes. I try to talk in English, so time doesn't matter, your small effort matter. Please take care of your health, and please you have to patience. Thank you so much. Watch this video, please subscribe my channel and like it. If you comment it, if you does me through comment, I improve next video. Bye bye, have a good day, see you soon, see you next video. Love you, lots of love from Prajita.